Hey there, this is Elisa with WTI. I recently got my hands on a new chair for my living room and office, and I'm so excited to share it with you. It's a modern chair by Kinwell, and I can't recommend it enough. First of all, it's absolutely stunning. It's also super comfortable and perfect for enjoying a cup of coffee or tea. It's also super easy to clean in case of spills. This size is perfect for any space, whether it's small or large, and it goes well in any room of your home. It has a leather feel that's super gentle on your skin, and the seat is detachable, which makes it very easy to clean. The diamond lattice grid design is so unique and eye catching, and the nails that come on the side add a nice touch as well. Plus, it's well packaged so it avoids it from damage, and also the assembly was a breeze. It literally took less than 5 minutes to put it together. This chair is the perfect addition to any home or office, and it comes in other colors too. I highly recommend it. But that's just my point of view.